Okay guys, we're down at the shop and I'm told that the Hot Wheels car, the 2018 Gen 6 Camaro, is running. And from what I hear, it sounds really good. So I'm going to take you inside and we're going to show you what that car sounds like. But take a look right here. That S197, I don't know, that car is beautiful. Every time I come down here, I just stare at it. It's absolutely awesome. Okay, so let's go inside. Let's listen to that Gen 6 Camaro. Okay guys, let's get a look at the assembled engine. What we have here is the Frakenstien intake manifold with the fuel rails. Something that you don't commonly see on a Gen 6 is port injection. And what we have here is the fuel pressure regulator for the port injection. And you see hidden back in here is a line lock, something that was installed on the car. Okay, we've got a Nick Williams 103 throttle body. Here's the Procharger right here. And we got a secondary fuel filter for the port injection. Now this is a really nice install. They did a great job. Everything's in there real nice. Here's the intercooler and there's the blow-off valve. Now from what I understand, they got this thing pulleyed to produce anywhere from 15 to 20 pounds of boost. It's all going to depend on actually what it ends up being with the cam when they run it and so on, because there's a lot of overlap in this cam. So let's fire this thing up. Let's see what it sounds like. And here we get a look underneath the car, right? Just look at this exhaust system. You see this spot right here? That's something that got my attention on the ZL1. This pipe was crimped to clear the axle. This system, I think this is a Corsa system, nice free-flowing pipe. We don't have that crimping. And something I missed a little earlier, look at this. There's an X pipe here and an X pipe there. Two X pipes on this system. All right guys, there's the Gen 6 Camaro back there. There's a bunch of guys working in front of the car. They're just about getting ready to start it up. And this car also, with the new motor, it's getting the BR30 motor oil, the braking oil. This is really good stuff. And that's what we're going to break this. That's what we're going to break this motor in with. So in a couple minutes, we're going to get this car running. We're going to hear it run. The thing sounds awesome, like a 60s muscle car. Really, with no VVT, other than the fuel injection, it basically is a 60s muscle car. Nothing more than a pushrod motor, only this one's making a lot of power. Okay guys, we got the Hot Wheels car running and it sounds great. Choppy idle, you know, it's got a big cam in it. Sounds like a 60s muscle car. Really, really nice. But we still got a lot of work to do. It needs some tuning, and we got to get the rest of the car back together. But once we get it all straightened out, we're going to get it on the dyno and see what she can lay down. We're shooting for big numbers with this car. Hopefully we can get 1,000 horsepower to the rear wheels running on E85. So stay tuned. We'll have more on this car going forward. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next one.